Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Mega Mateo 288, and today on our maiden voyage, first ever video, I'm hoping to help you solve the notorious Sims 3 unknown error that happens almost on every Mac OS Sierra version with the expansion packs. Before we get started, I want to direct you to Cory Sims' video on the issue. It was very helpful and was a large portion of how I figured this out. The only thing I have to say about that video is that it works best if you're installing your first expansion pack. My issue was that earlier today I tried downloading a couple of new expansion packs, and that put me at a total of 3, and that's when things got a little more complicated. So if you're trying to deal with the same unknown error problem with multiple expansion packs, that's what I'm here to show you today. Furthermore, if you're here and you just want a quick answer, if you're a little more tech savvy than the rest of us, let me just tell you what is basically happening, and you can go fix or screw up your computer at your leisure. So what's happening when you download these expansion packs from Origin? For whatever reason, can't explain it, I'm just here to tell you how I fixed it. What's happening when you download these expansion packs is that it's not seeding the download files, the expansion folders, in the right areas. It'll download onto your computer, and it'll download into some of the Sims 3 folder files. But for some reason, it's not populating the right files in the right places. Again, it's a really easy fix when you are dealing with one expansion pack. When you have multiple, it gets a little heavy. That's why we're here. So that's basically what's going on. You need to copy the missing files into the places that they belong. The expansion folders into the other expansions. It's a little complicated. If you know what I'm talking about, then go ahead and do your thing, man. For those of the rest of you that don't, let's go. So you're going to want to download and install the expansion packs, whatever they may be, from Origin. And if you've done this before, they will download on the sidebar down here. But after that, you need to launch them in the Origin window, and that will complete the installation. Once that happens, you'll need to go into the Sims 3 folder, and you'll see this is what you should see. I say this is the first time I'm doing it, so you're not seeing the other ones here yet. Next, what you'll want to do is go over to the Sims 3 application and right-click. Once you do that, you're going to want to hit Show Package Contents, enter the Contents folder, the Resources folder, and then finally the Add-ons folder. Now here you'll see all of your expansion packs that you have downloaded. Now, whichever one's not working for you, it varies from person to person. You're going to want to go into any of those. Now, the point of this is that you should have folders for each of these in here. As you can see, there's only late night. So we're going to go into Ambitions through the same method. You right-click, hit Show Package Contents, go to Contents, Resources. Now, the only difference here is that you're going to want to scroll all the way to the bottom and go to Trans Gaming. From there, you go to C Drive, Program Files, Electronic Arts, and there's your folder. You're going to want to copy that entire folder and go back to the original package contents of Sims 3. So from here, after copying this folder, you're going to want to go back to Applications, to the Sims 3 folder, click on Sims 3, right-click on it, I should say, Show Package Contents, Contents, Resources, Add-ons, and and paste that folder. So, for example, you'll see now I have Late Night in Sims 3 Ambitions. We're going to complete the process by repeating it, going into here and going back to the trans gaming, this time for the third. In this case, it's seasons, or whatever you have, whichever one we're still waiting on. This one is seasons. I'm going to go into the package contents there. Contents, resources, back to trans gaming, C drive, program files, electronic arts. I'm going to copy that folder and repeat the process all over. Applications, Sims3, Sims3, show package contents, contents, resources, add-ons, paste folder. We're going to go into each one of these expansion packs, and we're going to make sure, I should say, that ambitions and seasons are in late night and ambitions are in seasons, and seasons and late night are in ambitions. It gets a little complicated, but that's how I solved it. Now, by this time, go ahead and try it. It might work. If it doesn't, that's what you're going to need to do. So let's continue with that. We're going to copy Sims3 ambitions and seasons. We're going to copy those folders. We're going to go into late night show package contents, resources, trans gaming, C drive, program files, electronic arts. We're going to paste those two files. We having fun yet? Good. Okay. So you're going to want to repeat that process with however many other expansion packs you're having issues with. This is what I mean by the downloader, for whatever reason, is not putting files in the same place. Now, I can't tell you where those files are supposed to go, whether it's supposed to go into the expansion pack resources, trans gaming, electronic arts folder, or just the general Sims 3 show package contents add-on folder. I don't know. I'm just covering my bases by putting them all in the same place. We'll let these download. I'm going to repeat the process. Once we're done with that, we'll come back and we'll launch it. Should work, and that'll be it. Welcome back. We've successfully moved all the files necessary into all of our respective folders. So let's try launching it, shall we? We're going to hit play in the Origin client. You'll notice that the Sims 3 icon pops up. Then the Sims 3 seasons. Now, what most people are indicating is that if this one or whatever one pops up and you get the unknown error, then that is the expansion that's giving you a hard time. That wasn't in my case, and that's why I made this video. As you can see, it launched. And we're going to go ahead and start it and see what happens. Okay, and as you can see, the game is booting up. I hope that this method worked for you. I want to thank you all for watching. And please leave a suggestion in the comment section below on any how-to videos or reviews that you want to see me make in the future. I'll see you next time. Same Matt time, same Matt channel.